Did you click on that grid? Yes or no?
No, not yet.
Okay, that was the direction. Okay, so now you have a lot of options, and your options will kind of look like Mrs. Kozeski's here. There's one that has a green, green, yellow, and blue triangle. This is the drive. Would you click on drive?
Mine was in a different. Mine was
Well, your might be a little bit different, but did I give you a direction as to how to find it? Okay. Did everybody click into drive?
Yep.
Getting started.
Okay, so you have on the side here, you see a red button that says new, and then it says my drive, and then underneath it, it says shared with me. Do you see the word shared with me?
Mhm.
Click on shared with me.
Found that.
Okay, when you have that shared with me, you should have a document that says from milk to ice cream. Would you click on that, please?
There's milk to cream.
No.
Cream. Milk to cream.
Green. What green?
What did you say?
What green?
Did you click on it?
Yep.
Oh.
Double click. Okay, now your screen should say From Milk to Ice Cream by Aiden, Braden, and Victor. Yes?
Yeah.
Okay,
No, there's extra information.
you are always so difficult. I'm just saying. Okay,
Mine has it too.
perfect. You know, it's because it's the first
Can
time
it
we've
be
done.
there?
No, Burden has it.
No, we don't want to do it. No, thanks.
My name is spelled right.
Oh, yeah, I've been spelling your name for a couple of years now. Okay, so your screen should look like this. And do you notice that up here in the corner, do you have some colored boxes?
Yes.
You should see a picture of me. Do you see a picture of me?
Yeah.
And then you see some letters, right?
A,
Well, the A stands for Aiden, the B stands for Braden, and the V stands for Victor.
I have an A. It has
That's
a-
because you are Aiden,
because I don't see a
because you are Braden. We see it because I see all of your names because you are on my same document, but you won't see your own, okay, because you're logged in as you, okay? What's going to be cool about this is that we're going to do, remember how we sometimes share the pen and we do an interactive writing?
Yeah.
Well, today we're going to do that interactive writing, but we're going to do it typing on the computer. And we're going to talk about that process, the chronological sequence of from milk to ice cream. Who can tell me the first thing that happens when in that whole process of making ice cream? What's the first thing that happens? Victor, what's our first thing? What's the very first step? What do we have to do? Get the milk from the get the milk from the cows. Absolutely. Did you not like my milking? We're milking the cows. We're gonna just leave it there. We're gonna be milking the cows. Okay, so here's what's gonna happen is watch your screen. This is gonna be cool here in just a second. You're gonna see me add.
Whoa.
Did you see me just add a number 1?
Yes.
Okay, this is what's going to be cool, and this is how it's interactive, is that as each of us are typing, we're all sharing the same document, and we're doing our typing. Victor gave us the very first step, so Victor is going to type that first step. So, here you are. I'm going to put you right here at the number 1,
Squeeze.
okay? And what did you tell me? Get
Get
the milk from the cows. Guys, enough. Okay, so you're going to start us off with get. Do you see it on your screen?
G-A-T.
What do you need? Yep, you can back these. Leave a space. Get the. Okay, as he is typing, get the milk from the cows. Get the milk from the cows.
How does
Ooh, where could you, just looking right here at the table, how could you figure out how to spell milk?
See it.
You were so right. There's a couple different places that we could figure it out. Okay, so what's the next step? We get the milk from the cows, and then what happens? Braden?
They ship it in a truck.
Okay. They put the milk into,
What did you just do?
A truck.
Oh.
Huh? yeah, you can keep writing.
Can two people type at the same time?
We're all going to be typing at the same time here in just a moment. Mind blowing. They take the milk. A truck takes the milk to the.
Factory.
Okay. So what is your sentence going to be? A.
Milk from truck takes the milk to a factory.
Good. So where it says number 2, we're going to put your cursor right there, and you can go ahead and start typing. A truck.
I think
All
you made
right.
a mistake.
Who made a mistake?
Get the milk from the cow. Get the milk from a cow.
The cow makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Remember, authors sometimes rule it. Sometimes they can say A, sometimes they can say that. Those are words that can be interchanged. Okay. All right. What happens after the truck takes it to the factory? What happens at the factory?
Wait, no.
You can erase it.
They get it ready to get to the store.
Well, what do they do at the factory?
You
Okay,
are still
Just
there.
a moment. Truck. Go ahead and click yes that you are still there. Listen, truck. The
I
U is
just shut
making a
up.
short sound of
Just go.
and so it's going to be followed by the.
I have to log back in.
Okay. Here, actually, I'm just going to trade you. You're going to type under mine. What are you looking for? Because now I don't have it in front of me. Did you get truck spelled? Oh, that is another strategy. Looking there, but remember we said the and then what's it going to end with? Because is making it short sound. You have your k, like in truck.
Does this shut off automatically when you shut it, or do you have to shut it?
All right. So what happens at the factory? Look in the book. Good readers, go back and look in the book. What happens at the factory?
It gets heated up to kill all the germs.
Okay, so how can you put that into the sentence? The milk.
Gets heated up to kill the germs.
Good.
Till-
All right.
Kill all the germs.
Let me use this one to use that. Okay. I want you to be thinking about what you could write next.
T.
What would happen next?
Can I put a period
Where?
at the cow?
Oh yeah, absolutely. You need a period.
How do you spell it?
Ooh, what are you trying to spell?
Factory.
Oh, be a fearless speller.
Period. A truck to the factory at
A T
the AT.
T.
What?
T. O.
Okay, what do they do after they heat the milk to kill the germs? What do they do?
At the factory.
How would you find that information out, Victor? Where could you look? Oh, in the book is a great idea.
Oh, sorry.
What did you do?
I was going to erase the 3.
I don't keep it. I don't. Why do you do that?
Here, back up to here. We can- Continue typing. What happens at the factory after they've heated the milk?
Factory.
Brayden?
They put it in containers.
So they've heated it up, it's hot, they've killed the germs, then they put it right into containers?
This is yours.
Trust me. What do they do?
As some flavor?
They add the flavors. Absolutely. Absolutely. So you can write, then they add flavors. So that's going to be number 4. Put your touch right by the 4, and then you should be able to start typing.
Factory,
Tell me what your sentence is again, Aiden.
at the factory, they heat the milk
The milk is heated.
to kill the germs.
So you have got at the factory, the milk is heated to kill the germs. Okay? After they've added flavoring, what happens, Victor?
They
Remember we're using that transition word then?
they put it into the machine and put in
They put the ice cream into
the container.
Okay, they put the ice cream in the containers. Oops, sorry, I totally took your E down there with me. Sorry, Brittany. You should be fine now. Put your finger right by the word the. All right, so say your sentence again, Victor.
They put the ice cream into the machine and pour the ice cream into the.
Okay, we're gonna try to shorten that up just a little bit so that you're able to type it. How about they put the ice cream into containers? Say your sentence one more time. They
Pour the ice cream
into.
the container.
Excellent. Go ahead. Okay, Aiden. At the factory, the milk is.
Space. How do you spell heated?
Could you try your best?
This one.
I just want you to try your best. Use your sounds. Get your lips ready and think. Eat. Bed.
E.
Are you there, Victor? Don't worry about the spelling. Am I worried about the spelling?
I hit.
Heat.
What was it again?
What happens?
E. I spelled it right. No, I didn't.
Don't worry about it. At the factory, the milk is
No, I know how to
heated.
spell it. H-E-A.
Here's the thing. We only have 5 minutes left of class, and so we have to get this done. So
Can I
little
print that?
quickly. Where are you at, Braden? And then they add some flavoring. Excellent. How are we doing, Victor? Keep going. What's the last, or then what happens? Where does the ice cream go after it gets in the containers? The ice cream is in the store. Ooh, there is no A in they. There is no A in they. Spell the and add a Y. There is no A in they. Okay, so number 6, where did you tell me?
They take it to store.
The ice cream goes to the put. Put your finger by the 6.
Oopsie.
Okay, yep. Put it by the 6. Good.
It up. How do you spell kick?
How do you think you can spell it? Stretch it out. Aiden, stretch it out. What do you hear first? They put the what? Ice cream. And it's right at the top here. Do you see where it says ice cream?
I spelled it right.
Read your sentence again really quick, Braden. The take it to, or they take it to? What are you going to write next?
Germs.
And think about how that word looks in the book. It starts with a J sound, but is it a J?
G.
It is a G.
Yeah, E-R.
You have the of her.
G M S Germ period. Is there another number 7? Nope.
Well, what do we do at the end of the process?
Eat it.
So I will put that in as number 7. How are you going to put that into a sentence?
E-A. Eat it.
Eat it. Perfect.
S.
How are we doing, Braden? They take it to the, what's giving that O power to say its name?
What?
You're fine.
Oh.
I think you got an A in there instead of a. There we go. Are you
Oh,
typing?
oh, type. Eat. 18. What was the word?
Just keep typing.
4. This is fun.
Awesome. All right, guys. So today we talked about from milk to ice cream. We talked about the way that the author had organized the text was chronological sequence. It means that it had to be in order. And so today we wrote the process. Let's go through and let's read together the process, starting with number 1. Ready? Get the milk from the cow. A truck to the factory. Ooh, what do we need to add there?
Hey.
A truck
Hey.
takes what? Okay, oops. A truck takes the milk to the factory. Then at the factory, the milk is heated up to kill the germs. And then they add some flavoring. They put the ice cream into containers. They take it to the store. And the final step is to eat it. Good, 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 good. All right, so we talked about the process. We were able to use a different way today for interactive writing. Kind of fun. Yes? Learning curve, we learned.
I have something extra.
What do you have that's extra? Just hit got it. Okay. All right. Here's what I need you to do. You need to go ahead and just close the Chromebooks. Aiden, close the Chromebook, honey. Thank you. Chromebooks go back onto the shelf.
Plug in